Okay, so what exactly inside of that? App name, icon, and the theme also. Everything is over here in your Android manifest. Means I can say that whenever my application is start to the build and it's open, it is starting from this one particular file. Okay, now after what happened, permissions also like internet, after that camera, storage, right? Everything inside of this file only. Okay, after that what happened, the entry point which activity should open first when the app started. I said that when start your app, it will be started loading first this file. Okay, what is that file name? Android manifest.xml. Okay, now after letter we have the important file, another 1 second, main activity.java. Let me show you where is exactly is this one. See, first showing you this one manifest file, right? After that I want to go to the java, and inside of the java, see over here, example dot sorry com.example dot first tab. This is your package we have. If you can use the drop down menu, say inside we have to the another main activity. This is your a java file, which one we are using for use to the activity. Like, suppose I have to the something main project, and after that I want to use to your logic, right? Means addition, subtraction, multiplication. When I click over here, it will be go over there, or something will be happen, right? Means this is called your javascript type. So this is your main file whenever we want to be add to the the logic. Okay, so see over here, I can go over here. See, what is that? This is a your app main brain. See, logic. Are you getting that? It is the java class, or the sometime it's a kotlin if you use to the kotlin only, but we are using to the java class, right? We are using java. It is the control what happened when the app is started, right? Means is the logic. Example, if you click on the button, code in the manifest java will be a decide what to happen, right? So everything logic are over here. If you need to show to the text, it is tell the screen what text to display. See, everything is over here. So, and another last one, which one people too much like, okay, and I specifically like as a front end developer, this one, activity underscore main dot xml. This is like your front end, right? So where is that? See over here, res. Inside we have to there, see different things are there, xml values. Okay, there are a lot of things are there. See, your drawable, right? I'm going in layout. See over here we have that file, activity underscore main that xml. See, this is your xml. Right now I have only the hello world is present. Check over here. If I'm zooming, see over here, you can click over here also. See, hello world only present over here. Are you getting? Now whenever you open that, this is exactly we can see to the output, right? Means it's not we install app inside of your phone yet, but just as a preview, we can see what exactly we have inside of your app. Now what we are doing, I want to be click over here. See, panels. See over here, I have to the comments. Means I can drag and drop. See, if suppose button are there, I can hold this button and I can put over here. Are you getting? But we are not putting right now. See, images also you can put. See, images. Are you getting? So drag and drop. See, text if you want, you can put to the text. If you want button, see different buttons. We have radio buttons, images. See, are you getting switch? After this, see over here widgets like I want to be a something a video view or anything. See, we can put that, isn't it? After layouts, we have to the different layouts we have. Okay, see over here different things we have. I know it's look like a critical because it's your first time, but if you can spending a time on that, you can understand where is what. Okay, so let me close this panel. This panel we are using, we can drag the the items over here and we can make to the application. Okay, let me close from over here panel. Okay, it's closed right now. See over here. After that, see, I want to go this side. Okay, and see over here we have to the code concept. Means this is our layout, let drag and drop. But where is the code exactly? See, if we can click over here, I can able to see the code. See, this is the code which one we are using, right? Three files are important. First is what? Android manifest file. This is your starting point of your application. Second is your main activity.java, which one is the brain for your application. And third one is your activity underscore main dot xml, which one is the what we can say as a, like a HTML and CSS, right? Okay, so that purpose. Now see over here again, if you want to be see to the output, just click over here. See over here, that is called to the designing mode. See, designing mode and another code mode. designing mode, and the code mode. So you need to be shift, you need to make, you need to be shift, you need to make, you need to be a shift. So that thing we need to do. Now, right now, suppose and see over here also where that file is present. Let me show you. First file, this is present over here. Okay, second file is present. So okay, second file is present over here, and third file is present over here. These three files are important. Okay, now suppose I want to see the output. Sir, can you just show the output also? Okay, you show already over here, but can you show inside of our app? Okay, let me show you. So let me go over here. I want to be again my app only, means code only. After that, I'm going over here. This is a device I can able to make. So let's make a device first. Create a virtual device. Are you getting? Okay. So let's me click over here. Now it will be showing which kind of phone you want to make, like a phone, smart tablet, after OS, desktop, TV. What purpose you want to make the application? I want to make for the. I want to make a virtual machine like a phone purpose. Okay. Phone. Which phone you want? I want, suppose, Let me check to this. See, there are different phones are available. So suppose I want to make to be small, not medium, also not. Okay, let's take something to the Pixel XL. Okay, let's do that. So okay, but why is not over here? Play Store is available, though. Then I think so is really hard. Let me take to the something. Okay, Pixel 8 Pro. You can choose any phone, which one you want. Say next. Right now it's creating, see, it's a 6.7, height and everything we have. Then I want to be say this finish. Okay, show to the system image with the SDK extension. If you want to put that, you can adjust that. Advanced settings, if you want to do, you can do that. Okay, I don't want to do anything, just I want to be say to the finish. Okay, now it started to the build my app. Okay, app is ready. Now what happened? Before that, I want to click over here, run. Okay, are you getting? Run button is over here. I want to build my application. So if you can clicking over here, see the down a building is start. See, build to your first apps. See over here, it's building your application. See, Gradle, build, right? Let us finish everything properly, and automatically your phone will be open over here. Okay, if your computer specification is the low, it is taking to their time. Okay, give properly the time, complete that process. Okay, simple that thing. So for right now, what I'm doing, let me pause the video because it's take time to the build. Okay, guys. So already my app is built. You can see over here, it's a hello rotate. Okay, let me close these things. Okay, now see my phone is very big. You can see over here, hello world. Okay, this is exactly I rotate. If you can zoom that, see properly, you can able to see the, all things. Let me say that. See over here. Okay, properly we can able to see. Now, even if you can say, I want to go to the back. Okay, check over here back. See right now, this is your phone properly. Check over here. Okay, are you getting? Android phone is over here, and see over here your app, right? If you can click over here, see your app will be open. Hello one, right? Just we have to the hello world. Okay, if you want to be change that hello world, let's go over here in the design section. Okay, design section we are going, and I want to be change over here hello world instant or something different. Okay, suppose I'm writing my name. Check it over here. Like, let me remove this. Okay, Rohit made it this application, right? So let me write over here Rohit. Okay, Kadam. Just I want to be showed to you, that's it. Okay, after that we need to build again back your application. See over here run app, again back. It is again will be a build. Okay, it's take a time. Okay, it's close application properly, launching on the device over here. Check it over here. What thing is happening? Rohit Kadam. Okay, so this is your first, you did that, you create a project. Okay, after the what happened? You only change your hello world instead of your name. Okay, what happened? The first day we will take to understand how exactly the layout we have, right? Because it's a very confusing. We have a lot of stuff is present over here, right? Okay, so today's practical we are learning that how exactly the things where we have. Okay, and even let me check that how much time I have. Okay, so even this is exactly I have to the file also, because what happened whenever I did the lot of stuff, some steps are missed. Because what happened, whenever I install that, some things is already installed inside of my operating system, so it's some steps are missed. So let's